Hi, this is Aditi Rao Hydri and you're watching me on indiaglitz.com.
Hi, this is Randeep Huda and you're watching me on indiaglitz.com.
Hi, this is Sarah Lauren and you're watching me on indiaglitz.com.
We are killing the construct of love which says that there is one man, one woman relationship, they meet and live happily ever after. Yes.
Yes, the boring concept of love. We're going to change that.
We're just showing you there are different faces of love and there are different ways to love.
We are deconstructing love. Ki aaj ki day and age mein, with so much communication and social networking sites and exposure to so many different people that you don't even meet, don't you? Is there a possibility that two people in a relationship can even, one of them or both of them can even think with another person, think of another person or flirt with another person? Is it a monogamous relationship in spirit also? Is it a possibility today or is it a thing of the past? One shoe, can it fit everybody? No, it can't. So we are trying to find out in this day and age to deconstruct the concept,
notion.
The fairy tale concept, and the concept of faith and trust and doubt that is a very big part of any man-woman relationship. So how far do you go? How well do you know your person who you with? Like, I've spent so much time with these girls. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Which one is who? Well. What's your name, Aditi? No.
Yeah, that's right.
You're Sarah.
That's Aditi.
You're Sarah. Hang on. Oh, you're Sarah. Blue-eyed boy. My eyes are brown. No. Yes, I've been very fortunate that they've given me opportunities in the last year or two where I have been able to not only get a wider audience in terms of mass audience, which their films have catered to so far, but has also given me, made me a part of successful films and franchise and all that. So it gives me a kind of standing in the industry and their faith in me and my work ethics and my ability to do what I do, and my faith in them, in their work ethics and the ability to do what they do, has been synergized and has been good partnership. I have not replaced anybody, boss, you know. I am just another actor who's looking for work and who's found work and appreciation with these wonderful people who make movies regardless of the Fridays.
No, I don't want to break any image. I'm an actor. I want to do different kinds of things, and you can be a girl next door and also be sensual and also fall in love and also have sex. It's normal. It's a part of life, and I believe you cannot try and be somebody else. You will do something the way that you know it, the way you understand it, and the way the character demands it. So I don't want to break any image. But I want to explore different avenues within the field. I want to do different kinds of roles. और मतलब ये मेरे को हमेशा उल्टे सवाल आते हैं. एक सवाल आता है कि आप बहुत इनोसेंट लगती हैं लेकिन आपने बहुत बोल्ड रोल्स करे. तो मेरे को I don't know how to answer these questions because this is a part of life. I mean, love, relationships, making out, kissing, whatever. This is all life. It's love. It's part of love. So we should do it in a film if we're showing that.
No, I think they were very comfortable. बहुत मेरा ख्याल ही रखा. I think Randeep ने.
Sofa sets.
Excuse me.
You say we are comfortable.
I mean, like.
Come on, sorry. We're just pulling her leg. This is how we rag her. Yeah. Just to make sure, yeah.
So, मैं बहुत simple हूँ, फिर मैं कहती हूँ अच्छा okay. So, it's like that. It just go like that.
I think I've worked with eight first timers, and there is a energy that comes with that, and Vishesh had a different kind of energy. He was very calm and collected. He knew what he wanted, and he got what he wanted, and without without putting pressure on anybody, especially the actors, ki acha theek hai, get it, take your time, whatever. So he was very calm and collected. I felt that I was not shooting. In fact, I used to go, are we shooting or are we just talking and lying around? What are we doing? So yeah, no, it was good fun. I think he'll make a good director, and hope he keeps looking for scripts like Murder 3 to make, and he'll be fine, I think.
I wouldn't call it a bad thing. I'd call it a human thing. I think sometimes Randeep gets into a bad mood and you don't know why he's in a bad mood. But I mean, what I like about Randeep is that he's honest. So if you do sort of sit with him, he'll and then you know, okay, this is what it is. But I also like that about him. So I wouldn't call it a bad quality. I would just call it a human quality that you want to tear your hair out sometimes. But I also adore him very much. I think he's a really great guy. I've honestly not hung out that much with Sara. I think she looks at the mirror a lot. That I guess for other people can be a little drive them a little crazy. But I didn't see that much because I didn't shoot with her that much. But I think what I enjoyed about Sara is that she comes from a different space and a different world, and I think her stories are very funny. They're sort of new for us. So
Apart from an absolute lack of talent, no, I think they're both wonderful. Aditi is always doing funny things with her eyes. And she's always fussing around with her makeup, which is damn annoying. In fact, I've told her often a couple of times in the shoot, yaar, tere baal dekhne ke liye hairdresser hai. Why do you concentrate on the line? But apart from that, I think I have really, really enjoyed working with them. And they both have very special qualities also, not the bad ones. They've got very, very special qualities as actors. They've both got a very unique oomph, which is poles apart. And you will see it in the picture. They've also been cast very well, and I'm hoping and I wish them well, and they do lots and lots of work, and be my support as they have been throughout this movie. I'll give knife to Aditi and a flower to Sara. Why? I'll tell you why. Because even if I give a knife to Aditi, she won't stab me. I won't say the same about Sara. And if I was to give a rose to Aditi, she might become too mushy. And
that's very dangerous. You can't risk that.
I can't risk that. Then I have to take them both out for drinks.
फिर से बुला रे अपना बना ले हूँ बेकरार दिल है ये चाहता तुझसे ये कहता हाँ बेतहाशा तुझसे ही प्यार हसरतें बार 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 यार की करो ख्वाहिशें बार 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 यार की करो चाहते बार 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 यार की करो मन्नतें बार 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 यार की करो